Malilay Tonga and welcome to my page. And today is Saturday, and I have a song here that dedicated to one of my friends. His name is Tauke Aho. This song is, I think he wrote it to his wife, and I want to give you guys a little demo about the song, but before that, I want to make a shout out to Isaac Isaako. I don't know if I pronounced your name right. And also Jason King, aka Baya. And I'd like to shout out everyone who hear this video. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day today. It's a beautiful day today in New Zealand. And I want to give you guys a little demo on the song. I already make the beat. The only part I already recorded is the chords. I haven't recorded the verse. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the beat after I show you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. Just give me a moment so I can rotate. Oh, what the hell? And here we go. That's the beat. I hope you guys like it, and I'll show you guys the chorus. And there we go. That's the chorus. I know I sound like a girl in it, but yeah, it's dedicated to one of my friends. He's the one that wrote the song, but he wanted me to record the song. So yeah, I think the song is there's some part there is half Samoan. So also this guy is married to Samoan. I don't know why someone is married to Samoan girls, but yeah, I think they're much beautiful than the Tongan girls. What do you reckon? Also, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the beat and the song. And also, if you want to make a shout out, just comment your name down below. And if your name is not the same as your account, blah blah blah. So yeah, thank you very much. Peace. DJ Now. Over.